One of the great features of Acpac CRM is the advanced customization wizard, enabling you to rapidly start customizing your CRM system. The wizard has been updated for version 5.7, so let's take a look and see how it works. The advanced customization wizard for Acpac CRM allows you to quickly and easily extend your CRM system. It automatically generates and inserts new tables, screens, fields, tabs, and custom pages into the database to get you started on your customization. It works in conjunction with the CRM Component Manager. In order to use the Advanced Customization Wizard, you require either a system which has the Enterprise Integration Server key included, or an Acpac CRM system that is licensed to a CRM development partner. The wizard can be downloaded by partners from the CRM Product Resource Center at the address on screen. And note that the wizard that we're demonstrating today is for Acpac CRM version 5.7, and it is version specific. If you're using an older system, then you should be using an older entity wizard. Full documentation on how the wizard works is available from the Product Resource Center or on your CRM master CD in the document Acpac CRM 5.7 Advanced Customization Wizard. There's 3 easy steps to using the wizard. Firstly, download the wizard zip file from the Resource Center and copy it onto your server. Secondly, you install the wizard. And thirdly, begin customizing and extending your Acpac CRM system using the wizard. So, let's take a look and see how this thing works. We log into our CRM version 5.7 system as administrator. And in order to install the wizard, you go into the administration area, select the customization option, select the component manager option, and we need to go ahead and install the wizard. We browse and select the 5.7 wizard zip file, and we click Upload. Now this is unpacking the zip file and installing it in the INS directory for your CRM install. The wizard then renders itself as a component within the system, and we're ready to go ahead and do an install. We click Install Component, and we're prompted for some details. Let's suggest that we're going to go ahead and create a new project entity within our system. We call our entity a project. The prefix that we want to put in is the 4-letter abbreviation that we put in on all column names within the tables generated by the wizard. Let's select Proj. Notice that the wizard automatically tags everything that we are going to do with the component name project_component. In this way, later, we will be able to bundle up these changes, and redistribute them if we're a development partner. When we're defining our new entity, we need to decide what we want to install. Because it's a project and I might be a project manager, or there will be likely project managers associated with projects, we click in Add to My CRM, so that project managers could see projects within their My CRM area. We will want to find projects in the system, and if there was a project team associated with projects, we might want to add it to Team CRM. For the purposes of demonstration, we're going to assume that projects are owned by companies. In other words, we will do projects for companies that we have within our CRM system. We might also assume that there are, within our customer contacts, there are people who are assigned to manage these projects. Projects will likely have communications, will definitely have a library. Optionally, you could install workflow. And note that because this system that we are installing the Wizard is a solo system, we are asked to specify what are the offline options for this new entity. This is a new feature in CRM 5.7. You could say that you want no project data to go to clients, that you want to filter based on the company and person information, that you want to read only on the client, or do you want to send all data to the client? Or alternatively, that you can filter by user. In other words, the user specifies that they only bring their projects offline. Full details on all of these options are in the documentation for Solo. Let's select the No Data to Clients option. We install the component, and the system is automatically generating the necessary custom pages within the system. Once it's done its generation of the pages, inserted all of the new screens, tables, etc. into the system, the metadata is refreshed. This ensures that everything is up to date and the screens are ready for display. We click Continue, log off, and log on again. The first thing you'll notice is that a new project tab has been added to the My CRM area, and that was the first checkbox that we selected. Notice that this is a new tab that's been auto-generated, as well as this being a list box that's automatically being generated. If we go into the administration area and select customization, you can see a new entity has been added to the system called Project. We select Project in here. Based on the options again that we selected when we were installing this entity, it's generated a set of fields for us. We can go ahead as normal and extend this new table within the system. Perhaps we're going to put in a date for the project starting. We save this into the system. We are automatically extending the new table that we've generated within the system. And the wizard has also generated a set of screens for us within the application, including an entry screen, which we should add our start date to. It's also added some lists into the system. And if we wanted to, we could create some views associated with the project. If we look in the users area of the system and select security, you will see that the project entity has been added as a list, added to the list of entities which are controlled by security within Acpac CRM. If we wanted to edit rights, we might decide that Susan May, as sales manager, gets to insert, view, and edit projects within the system. We click Save, log off, and log on as Susan. And Susan is being given access to projects. If Susan goes and finds a company within the system, such as Eurolandia, the the wizard has added a project tab associated with this company. If we click New, we can add our new project. It's associated with the user Susan and her team direct sales, and because we've entered this from within the context of Eurolandia, the project is being associated with Eurolandia. Also, the start date we can set. That's the custom field that we added earlier on. Having saved that into the system, you can see that we can now associate communications and library documents with our project. Note also that there's a new improvement in CRM 5.7 Wizard, and that is that the top content area here is customizable. So we can easily jump to a particular company. If we look at what the wizard has done on the server, you can see that in the install directory, the wizard has generated a new subfolder under custom pages and auto-generated all of the ASP pages that you've seen the access earlier. All of these program files or ASP files are available for editing, should you wish to do so. These pages use the standard Access CRM API to access the system. So in summary, the Advanced Customization Wizard allows rapid expansion of your Access CRM system, works for EIS and BPP license systems. You can download it from the CRM Product Resource Center, and full documentation is available in the Resource Center and on the CRM Master CD. Thank you for your attention.